Haukiba Jungi Taramarida Sanapati District Manung Chana Laiba Makan Kulen Village da Chahi Mari Subata Ngari class KG Tamlibi Nupi Masa Amada Natabili Chachatki Bani Haiba Chahi Humputra Manga Helaba Eliri Apopa Laikhidraba Atilibu Ngasi Uripokta Laiba Cheirap Court Puthokani Haiba Pauta Badagi Court Asigi Mamangda Mao Student Union, Mao Naga Welfare Association, Makhal Women Makhan Union Amadi Mao Youth Student Organization, Imphal Gimiamna Mara Laiba Mioi Matik Chaba Dandi Piu, Punsi Supa Kasum Sangda Thambiu, Haibana Jingba Kholau Kaya Lauduna, Kongjang Thokkhre. Protest Aduda Makhan Kulengi social activist Asulina Hai Thokdok Hai Bathokiba Asi Jungi Taramarida Angang Asigi Mama Mapana Labukta Low Suba Chatkringai Mi Laitabagi Kudung Chaba Lauraga Angang Asina School Halakpada Thokdok Asi Chathakibani Thokdok Asigi January ba Mioi Asi Lengak na Maral gi Matung Ina Sab Chaba Cheirak Pigadabani Haina Phongdokhi
Any institution that takes care of children need to be sensitized about the safety of the children. These children are innocent, vulnerable, they have no voice. We should be the leading voice for these children. And so I raise my voice. On behalf of all my Mao community women, would like to request all civil organizations to rise and fight and give justice to victims and protect children.
Nakalamaromda Thokdok Asiga Mari Lenana Mao Naga Women Welfare Association gi General Secretary Kaisana Puthorakpada Piklibi Nupi Macha Amada Asigumba Saram Chatki Thawong Chatkhiba Asi Yamna Laibak Thibani Lengak Asina Nupi Singbu Mapung Faba Ngakpi Senbiu Amadi Thokdok Asida January ba Mioi Asi Maragi Matung Ina Ahak Pagsarak Pibiu Haina Phongdokhi
Like to say that the accused, who is 70 years or more, is a stable man, is a man with sound mind, and therefore he carried out the most abominable act, the crime of the child, premeditated and willfully. Today we are deeply shocked and pained, and as such we pray that such activities and such crime does not come out again in our present society and in our community. And we demand that the law agencies give the most stringent punishment to the accused and give rigorous life imprisonment, including natural death and even capital punishment, because it is unimaginable and abominable.